Hi, Namaste. Welcome back to our channel. I am Gowthami. How are you? Let me know in the comments. I am good. In this video, we are going to know a very important step that you need to include in your English learning process. Okay? That is being consistent. Okay? I told you so many times that you need to be consistent while learning English. In anything, in order to gain it, in order to achieve it, you need to be consistent. Consistency plays a very crucial role in anything that you do in your life. Even it may be preparing for an exam or even it may be in your learning journey. Both are same. Okay? So in this video, I am going to give you some of the tips that would be definitely help you to be consistent throughout the journey. Because during this journey, sometimes we feel bored, sometimes we feel frustrated, sometimes we feel tired, sometimes we feel that it's enough. I have learnt enough. I am going to quit now. There are days when I also used to think in this way. If you are in this case, then this will be a motivational video for you, and here I am going to give you some of the tips that would be beneficial to you to continue your English learning journey. Okay, so without any ado, let's get into the video. Before that, I would feel happy if you smash that like button. The first thing to be consistent is that you need to set clear goals. Okay? Goals must be achievable and you must be able to measure them. You must be able to identify whether you have improved during this learning process or not through your goals. I have done a video on how to create mini goals. Okay? The overall goal of you is to achieve fluency in speaking English. Am I right? If that is true, in order to achieve that big goal, you need to create mini goals that are achievable and measurable. I wish you would watch that video in order to know how to create mini goals. You can watch that video and it will guide you how to create mini goals during this English learning journey. Mini goals helps you to master your pronunciation skills. It may be either you learning grammar rules or it may be building up your vocabulary, whatever it may be. I have covered all those in mini goals. If you want, you can check out that video and take the help of it without fail. The second thing that is going to help you to keep you consistent throughout this learning journey is create a perfect schedule. Okay? Creating a perfect schedule is really important and it will help you and motivates you each and every time you feel tired of learning English. Yes, whenever you create a schedule and stick on to that, your brain triggers you that you have some work to do regarding learning English. It will keep you motivated. It will work as an alarm signal to motivate you whenever you are tired. It will help you to be consistent. But make sure that the timetable you are preparing must fit into your daily routine. Don't put aside your regular works only for the sake of learning English. Never do that. You will feel stressed out and you will just quit the journey in the middle only if you do that. Better include some of the applications and some of the methods that fits into your daily routine so that your daily routine is not going to get disturbed and you will be able to be consistent throughout this journey. You will be able to be consistent only if your daily routine is not disturbed, because if your daily routine is disturbed, obviously your brain is going to get it irritated because it is going to feel that heavy load. Okay, so try to create a routine in such a way that our brain will help you to learn English each and every day. Dedicate some time each and every day if possible. Either it may be for every 3 days or at least once a week. According to your daily routine, dedicate some time, allot some time only to learning English. Then it will be helpful to you to go in depth into the language so that you can master this language as soon as possible. The third step that will help you to be consistent is that using language resources. Okay, there are a number of language resources available online and also offline. It is up to you on which type of language resource that you rely on. Okay, it may be any speaking application, or it may be any learning application, or it may be any course that you are going to join, or it may be any YouTube channel that you are going to watch, or it may be any Instagram post that you want to follow and know more about English, or it may be any language exchange program in which both the partners are going to exchange during their learning process. It may be anything, but make sure you are choosing the correct one that fits you, that is suitable to you, and then do that so that you will be consistent throughout the journey without any confusion in the middle or without getting bored during your journey. The fourth tip I would like to give you to be consistent is break tasks into small mini steps. Okay, I have used this before also, right? To create mini goals. In the same way, you need to cut down the whole process of learning into mini steps. You know that learning English requires 4 steps: reading, writing, listening, and speaking, right? If you are not able to focus on all the 4 each and every day, then create a schedule in such a way that you are going to break down this process into some steps so that you are going to read for some days, you are going to speak on different topics for some days, you are going to write and put down your thoughts for some days, and finally you are going to watch or you are going to listen the content for some days. Okay, you can cut down your steps in the way you wish. Okay, it must be in such a way that you are comfortable by breaking down your whole journey into steps. Then it will be easy to you because you are not going to watch the final thing of achieving fluency right from the first step, right? If you break down your goal into steps, then you would focus only on one step, right? After reaching that step, again you are going to take another step. So you will also feel burdenless, and it will be very helpful to you to be consistent throughout the journey. Fifth tip I would like to give you is practice daily. It may be all 4 activities: reading, writing, listening, and speaking, or you may focus only on one activity. I don't bother, but make sure that you're practicing English each and every day. You may think it as my request or you may think it as my suggestion. It is up to you. But if you spend at least 30 minutes of your day, particularly to English, then you will see insane results. This is my word. Okay? This is my word. Just remember it. Spend each and every day at least 30 minutes on all the 4 activities or on each of the activity. If you are not in a situation to allot 30 minutes of your daily routine into speaking English or into learning English, then I want you to spend at least a few minutes. Few minutes is enough. At least 5 minutes. Can't you afford 5 minutes? Let me know, can't you afford 5 minutes to learning English each and every day? So what I tell you is that at least spend 5 minutes to learning English each and every day. You know, big differences does not come in one go. All the tiny bits that you are doing, all the tiny attempts that you are doing each and every day will compile, and they are going to give you massive results. Okay, they will give you very good results, very fruitful results. Trust me. practice each and every day. If you are in a confusion of how to practice and what to practice every day, in the end cards, I am going to provide you one of the video that is liked by so many people. Okay, so many people watched that video and got inspiration about how to learn English and how to practice English daily. Okay, so I wish you would watch that I am going to provide you in the end cards. Take help from it and please practice each and every day. I had 10 points to share with you on this particular topic of how to be consistent throughout this learning journey, but I found that the video length is so long, so I am splitting it into two parts. In the first part, till now you have seen 1 to 5 points, and in the upcoming video, in the next video, that is tomorrow, you will watch 6 to 10 points. Okay, thank you so much for joining me till the end, and don't forget to watch the continuation of this video tomorrow.